Hey, financial freedom fighters! Welcome back to Jocelyn Online Business. Let's take the first step towards achieving your goals. In 2025, the online world offers incredible opportunities to build real wealth. And today, I'm revealing the top 10 proven ways to make money online. What if I told you that you could start earning from the comfort of your home, even as a complete beginner? Stay until the end because method number 10 could be your perfect match. In today's video, we're diving deep into 10 powerful online business models that are thriving in 2025. Here's exactly what you'll learn. First, we'll explore online freelancing. Perfect if you want to start earning quickly. Then, we'll cover affiliate marketing, where you can earn passive income promoting other people's products. We'll also discuss self-publishing, creating online courses, building digital agencies, online coaching, YouTube content creation, print on demand, e-commerce, and dropshipping. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly how each method works and how to get started. Let's dive right in. Let's start with online freelancing. What exactly is freelancing? Simply put, it's offering your skills and services to clients online. Think of it as being your own boss, choosing your own projects, and setting your own rates. The beauty of freelancing is that almost any skill can be monetized online, whether it's writing, graphic design, video editing, or even virtual assistants. Here's how to get started. First, identify your marketable skills. Maybe you're good at writing, or perhaps you have experience with social media management. Next, create professional profiles on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or LinkedIn. When building your profile, focus on one specific skill rather than trying to offer everything. For example, instead of being just a writer, become a specialist in writing email newsletters for small businesses. To land your first clients, start with competitive rates and over-deliver on quality. Focus on getting those crucial first reviews. They're your digital reputation. Begin with smaller projects, build your portfolio, and gradually increase your rates as you gain experience and positive feedback. Our second method is affiliate marketing, a powerful way to earn passive income by promoting other people's products or services. Affiliate marketing is when you promote other people's products or services and earn a commission for each sale made through your unique referral link. Think of it as being a digital salesperson, but without the need to create your own products or handle customer service. Here's how it works. Let's say you love a particular fitness program. You sign up as an affiliate, get your unique link, and create content recommending this program. When someone clicks your link and makes a purchase, you earn a percentage of the sale. The best part? This can happen 24/7, even while you sleep. To get started, first choose a niche you're passionate about. It could be fitness, personal finance, or technology. Next, find affiliate programs in your niche. Amazon Associates is perfect for beginners, but there are many others like ClickBank or individual company programs. Create valuable content that helps solve problems in your niche, whether through a blog, YouTube channel, or social media. Remember, the key is to recommend products you genuinely believe will help your audience.
Moving on to our third method, self-publishing, which allows you to turn your knowledge or creativity into books that can generate passive income for years to come. Self-publishing is an incredible way to share your knowledge while earning passive income. Self-publishing means writing and publishing books without going through traditional publishing houses. Thanks to platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, anyone can become an author today.
Let's explore our fourth method, creating online courses, where you can package your expertise into digital training programs that help others learn valuable skills. An online course is a structured learning experience that teaches specific skills or knowledge. The beautiful thing about online courses is that you create them once and can sell them repeatedly. To create a successful course, start by identifying a specific problem you can solve. Don't try to teach everything. Focus on one clear outcome. For example, instead of photography for beginners, create master iPhone food photography for Instagram in 30 days. Here's your action plan. Research your target audience's pain points through forums, social media, and competitor analysis. Create your course outline, record your content using simple tools like screen recording software or your smartphone. Platforms like Teachable, Udemy, or Thinkific make hosting and selling your course easy. Focus on delivering real value and helping students achieve tangible results. Our fifth method is starting a digital agency, where you can provide specialized services to businesses and build a team of experts over time. A digital agency provides specialized services to businesses, such as social media management, web design, digital marketing, or even AI solutions. The beauty of this model is that you can start solo and grow by building a team over time. Here's how to build your agency. First, choose one specific service to focus on. For example, if you're starting a social media agency, you might specialize in helping restaurants grow their Instagram presence. Start by learning the necessary skills through online courses and practical experience. You can find free resources on YouTube or invest in professional training. To get your first clients, start locally. Reach out to businesses in your area, show them how you can help solve their problems, and offer a special rate for your first few clients. As you deliver results, ask for testimonials and referrals. Gradually build systems and processes, then hire team members to handle more clients. Next up is online coaching, a rewarding way to monetize your expertise while providing personalized guidance to help others achieve their goals. Online coaching is a fantastic way to monetize your expertise while helping others achieve their goals. Unlike courses, coaching provides personalized guidance and accountability. You can coach in various areas: business, life, fitness, relationships, or any field where you have expertise and results. Getting started is simpler than you might think. First, identify your coaching niche based on your experience and what you're passionate about. Create a clear coaching program structure. What specific results will clients achieve? How long will it take? What's included? Start by offering free discovery calls to potential clients. Use platforms like Zoom for sessions and tools like Calendly for scheduling. Price your services based on the value you provide, not just time spent. Remember, successful coaching is about helping clients achieve tangible results, so focus on creating transformation, not just sharing information. Our seventh method is YouTube content creation, which offers multiple ways to earn money while building an engaged audience through valuable video content. Creating content on YouTube isn't just about making videos. It's about building a sustainable business. YouTube creators can earn through multiple streams: ad revenue, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and selling their own products. Here's your roadmap to success. Choose a specific niche where you can provide value consistently. Study successful channels in your niche to understand what works. Start with basic equipment. Your smartphone, natural lighting, and free editing software like DaVinci Resolve are enough to begin. Focus on creating valuable content that solves problems or entertains your target audience. Upload consistently. Aim for at least one video per week. Optimize your titles, thumbnails, and descriptions for search. Remember, growing on YouTube takes time, but consistency and value are key to building a loyal audience. Let's talk about print on demand, an exciting business model that lets you sell custom-designed products without holding any inventory. Print on demand is an exciting business model where you design products that are printed and shipped only when someone makes a purchase. This means zero inventory risk and minimal upfront investment. You can create custom t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, and more. Here's how to get started. Choose a platform like Printful, Printify, or Redbubble. These platforms handle printing, shipping, and customer service. Your job is to create designs and market them. Use tools like Canva or Adobe Illustrator to create your designs, or hire designers from Fiverr. Research trending topics and niches to create designs that resonate with specific audiences. For example, designs for dog lovers, nurses, or gamers. Test different designs with small ad budgets, Then scale what works. You can sell through your own website using Shopify or through marketplaces like Etsy. Our ninth method is e-commerce, where you can build your own online retail business selling physical products to customers worldwide. Unlike dropshipping or print on demand, traditional e-commerce involves sourcing, stocking, and selling your own products. While this requires more upfront investment, it gives you complete control over your brand and potentially higher profit margins. Let me break down how to start your e-commerce journey. First, you'll need to choose your niche and products. Look for products that solve specific problems or cater to passionate communities. For example, you might sell eco-friendly kitchen products, specialized fitness equipment, or unique beauty items. Research your competition and make sure there's enough demand for your chosen products. Setting up your online store is easier than ever in 2025. Platforms like Shopify provide everything you need to get started, from professional website templates to payment processing and inventory management. You can start with a basic plan and upgrade as your business grows. The most critical part of e-commerce is finding reliable suppliers. Start by ordering samples from different manufacturers to test quality. You can find suppliers through platforms like Alibaba or work with local manufacturers. Always negotiate terms and ensure your suppliers can scale with your business. Marketing your e-commerce store is crucial for success. Start with social media marketing, particularly on platforms where your target audience spends time. Instagram and TikTok are powerful for showcasing products. Email marketing is also essential. Build your list from day one and nurture relationships with your customers. Now, let's talk about dropshipping, our final method for making money online. Dropshipping is similar to e-commerce, but with one major difference: you don't need to handle or store any inventory. Instead, when a customer places an order on your store, the product is shipped directly from your supplier to your customer. Here's how to build a successful dropshipping business. Start by finding winning products. Use tools like Google Trends, social media, and competitor research to identify products with growing demand. Look for items that solve problems or tap into current trends. Avoid oversaturated markets like generic phone cases or basic clothing. Next, find reliable suppliers. Platforms like AliExpress and CJ Dropshipping connect you with manufacturers worldwide. Always order sample products to verify quality and shipping times. Remember, your reputation depends on your supplier's performance. Setting up your dropshipping store follows similar principles to e-commerce. Use Shopify with dropshipping apps like Oberlo or DSers to automate order processing. Focus on creating a professional-looking store with compelling product descriptions and high-quality images. The key to dropshipping success is marketing and customer service. Since you're likely selling products that others can also access, your competitive advantage comes from better marketing, faster shipping times, and excellent customer support. Use Facebook and Instagram ads to drive traffic, and always be transparent about shipping times. Today we've explored 10 powerful ways to make money online in 2025. From freelancing to dropshipping, each method offers unique opportunities to build your online income. I know this is a lot of information to take in at once, which is why I'll be creating detailed videos about each of these methods in the coming weeks. You'll get step-by-step guides, insider tips, and everything you need to succeed with each business model. Financial freedom fighters, if you don't want to miss these detailed tutorials, make sure to hit that subscribe button right now and click the notification bell. This way, you'll be the first to know when I release new videos about each money-making method. Drop a comment below letting me know which method you're most excited to learn more about. I read and respond to every comment. Thanks for watching Jocelyn Online Business, and remember, your journey to financial freedom starts with taking action today. See you in the next video.